Well, I think almost everyone wants to play on this tennis court all around the year. And then to dive into this beautiful swimming pool. Buongiorno a tutti, we are back in Ospedaletti today. What a beautiful and lovely day. We're about to show you a Belle Epoque period villa which was built in the 1850s, 1860s. A real gem here on the Riviera Italiana. As I previously told you, this is a Belle Epoque villa surrounded by a beautiful park of almost 3,000 square meters with high palms and lush greenery. Taking into account that this was a period villa built in 1850s, 60s, the central part was initially built and afterwards they added both sides of the residence. So welcome to this beautifully renovated apartment. We are entering into the living area with open, spacious plan. And the kitchenette made a misura. As you have already noticed, this property was completely refurbished a couple of years ago using all the modern materials. So the living area was divided, as normally is accepted, to two parts. So here we have the TV area, and on my right we have the bespoke kitchen. As you can see here, we have the double glazed window here in this part, which was previously wasn't in this place. So the previous owners, taking into account that this was the Belle Epoque villa, the period villa, they had these windows right here in the arcs. Of course, shifting the windows backwards, the owners have managed to create this balcony, which otherwise wouldn't have existed. From the living area, we're entering in the kind of entrance which takes you directly to the guest bathroom, and here the owners have managed to create the kind of laundry room. We are now proceeding with the north part of the apartment, which is considered zona notte or night area. Here on my right we have a master bedroom with a double bed and also the ensuite bathroom. And to my left you can see the quite spacious walk-in wardrobe. And this is the second bedroom, also with a double bed, which could be quite convenient for the big family. Today I've showed you this beautifully renovated lush apartment of 102 square meters in the Belle Epoque residence with this outstanding sea view. For the price of this beautiful property, you should better click the link in the description and follow us.